For our first notification appliance, we have a Mercom FHS240R. This device is set on fixed 15 candela and will be doing code 3. For smoke detector, we have a First Alert SA303. For our second notification appliance, we have a new device to the collection. This is an FOS HEAS-STW. This device is set on fixed 15 candela and will be doing continuous. This alarm sounds very similar to the Siemens UMMT or the Siemens UMHU-MCS-R. Very similar, it just has a different pitch. I will note that in this test, this one also looks like another one of my devices that I have, the FOS 6226-W. And for this test, this device is going to sound a little scratchy, but that is because I will not be using the correct power for this device, and I will explain that later. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the top, we have a Notifier BNG1TS, and on the bottom pull station spot, we have a Cerberus Powertronics MSI-20B. This used to be an addressable pull station, however, I did convert it to conventional. We still have the Simplex 2098-906 test switch, and we will not be testing that today. Next to that, we still have a First Alert smoke detector, and we will not be testing that today. Above the door, we still have the Siemens UMCS remote strobe set on 75 candela. At some point, I will be switching this device out. I'm getting a little tired of seeing it up there, so I am going to be replacing it with some other remote strobe at some point. Before I begin today's test, I just wanted to mention one thing. This is a new horn strobe to the collection, and I did want to note that this technically should not be running on this panel. It is going to sound very scratchy, and the reason why is because this should be powered by DC power, and I have it powered by FWR power. Not up to code by any mean, but again, this is just a demo system, and I will be powering it on the MS5ED using battery backup for DC power. Unfortunately, I do not have a fire alarm panel that outputs DC power, so I need to make adjustments. And these adjustments obviously are okay on a demo system, but they never should be done in a public building. So that is why this horn strobe will sound very, very crappy when it is on in the test. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the notifier pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. For our next activation today, I'm going to activate the smoke detector by just click the buttons. Here we go. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. Going to turn it, push the station back into place, and obviously lock it back up. And now I'm going to go in the main power control panel, and I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, for our final activation today, I'm going to pull the Cerberus Powertronics pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Alarm is silenced. Alright, I will go ahead and reset this pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my Allen key. I'm going to turn it. loosens the little piece. There's the inside right there. This is technically an addressable pull station. It would only work on a Cerberus Powertronics fire alarm system, or fire alarm panel, if you will, compatible, because this is technically addressable. I did remove that module and wired it up just to the switch. That is not up to code, and don't ever do that because it definitely is not the right thing to do. However, this is a demo system, so it is just a test. So that pull station is now reset and locked back up. And I'll just go into the main volume control panel and I'll hit system reset. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to comment and subscribe and have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.